Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about physics. The topic today is about kinetic energy. So now I want to show you how to answer. The formula of total translational kinetic energy we have like this. We have Ke equals to 3 over 2. We multiply by nRT. The question they want to find how many moles. So that is about n in here. So Ke, we have this number in here. R, we know that it's about 8.314. About T, that is about 437. So if we want to find n, we need to divide both sides by 3 over 2 and these numbers in here. So we can find the value of n. That should be about 3.174412692. So this is the number we need to find in here. Question number 2, we want to find the average translational kinetic energy for one single molecule. So the formula of this one we have like this. That should be about the total translational kinetic energy. We divide by n. That's about the moles in here. We multiply by Avogadro's number. So we have Ke. That is about these numbers in here. And the moles, that is about this number in here. So I will round up to 3.17 and then we multiply by 6.0 number 2 multiply by 10 to the power of 23. So we calculate this one and we have the final answer. That should be about 9.05 and we have 10 to the power of negative number 21, and that is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.